Hey guys, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐟𝐮𧧧𝐘𝐥𝐬 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a capture page funnel for your affiliate offers, whatever it is that you're promoting. Um, so what as an affiliate marketer, you really need to utilize capture pages so that you can capture the name and email address of a person who's interested in your offer and follow up with them, and you'll make more money and more sales over the long term if you use capture pages versus just giving somebody your sales page. So right here in front of me, I have a sales page for an affiliate offer that I offer to my business funding clients. Um, and I'm going to create a capture page for using the funnel builder that I use. Now, the funnel builder that I use, you can find the link right beneath this video. It is the Home Business Academy, and it has a awesome funnel builder that is the pages look very nice, very similar to something you might find with lead pages, click funnels, something like that. For the price point, you cannot beat it. It's just $25 a month to get started. So, anyways, what I'm going to do right now is create a capture page for this sales page offer. And what I'm going to do is it's pretty easy. You just click here where it says funnels. Once you're in the funnel builder, I'm going to scroll all the way down. I have pages when you come in, you'll just have one page, which is this page that you see here. But I'm going to click add a new step, and I'm going to go ahead and create a funnel. I'm going to create a page. So I'm going to click on page. And I am looking for a lead capture page template. So let's let this load for a second. So the capture pages have loaded, and you can pick any template that you would like. Um, so, I'm going to, let's see, let's just use this one just to show you how to do it. So I'm going to hit select. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and name my page. I'm going to name it Fix Your Credit. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit add. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and load. And now, this is a pretty much um what do you call it? a drag and drop, pretty click and go funnel builder. So what I like to do is when I'm creating a capture page, again, a capture page is where you collect the name and email of a person who's going to your page. So I'm going to go over to my sales page. So you can do this with any affiliate offer you have. And I'm just going to mirror what it says on the sales page. So I'm literally going to say, get your credit fixed in 30 to 90 days, because that's what the offer is. Oops, sorry, went to the wrong place. So let's just go ahead and mirror that. I'm going to pause this and go in and edit this. And as you can see, it's very similar to Word. Like you can change the font, you can change, whatever you want. It's pretty click and go. And then I'll come back and show you how I edited the page and give more tips.